Time is currently 5:49. I'm gonna go get some breakfast before we head onto a 3-hour-long train. Look at all this food. Most definitely want one of these. Kelp and soy sauce, shrimp and mayonnaise, tuna mayonnaise. Ooh, actually that sounds fire. I'm like, is this gonna stink though on the plane? Not on the plane, on the train. You know what, maybe we'll eat it before. Low-key wanna try kelp and soy sauce, all right? Oh my goodness, what coffee do I want? I'm like, low-key do want sweetened. My question is, do I microwave this? My brain is telling me yes. Why am I like actually scared right now? I'm like, I don't know if I should be doing this and I don't even know how to fucking work a microwave. We're just gonna place them both in here and click. I think my stuff is microwaving right now. Here we are now. They're warm. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but we got our goods. I don't know how to do this. Should I ask someone? Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. I just always see people buying cups of ice, and I never knew what they did with the cups of ice. Now we know. Oh my gosh, the coffee is coming out. I have my cafe latte. Ooh, okay, we have all of these water options. I'm like, I want the pink one, bro. I'm gonna grab the pink one. Okay guys, I'm really just learning everything as we go, but something I do know is that people in Japan don't eat and walk at the same time. Like, you're not supposed to, so we have a little bit of time. The train comes at 6:27, I think. Let's check. Today we're headed to Hirosaki because I want to make sure that I get to see the cherry blossoms. The train leaves at 6:24, so I'm going to quickly try my drink. Guys, this is my first meal in Japan. It's not even a meal. It's literally 7-Eleven, but girl, I'm amazed. It tastes like nothing, but like in a good way, you know? Good. All right, let's try the tuna and mayonnaise. It says pull down, pull back, pull to the right, pull to the left. Okay, pull down, pull back, pull to the right, pull to the left. Wow. This is tuna and mayonnaise. First bite, here we go. Oh, by the way, my luggage is lost. Not actually. It's in LA. It like literally just never arrived, so we're without luggage. Wow. Look how lush and green it is, although there's construction. And we are headed to Tokyo Station. All right, green car. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Oh. I haven't seen one of these since Vietnam. But you know what? I'm down for it though. So basically, this is where the Asian squat demonstrated here because I will not be demonstrating. Comes in handy. All right, I'll see you in a sec. I have just arrived at the Hirosaki station, and this is where the cherry blossoms are up in the north. That was like a 3.5-hour train ride up here, but it was honestly so peaceful, so relaxing. I love. So I think now we're going to try to take a freaking taxi for the first time. Let's figure it out. Hi, to the cherry blossom festival. Cherry blossom? Cherry blossom? Yeah. Here? No? Shimo, Shiro.
Oh, Koen, Sakura?
Yeah,
Oh,
Sakura.
okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
That was easy. Arigato. Bye-bye. Wow, this already looks so beautiful. Look at all the cherry blossoms in the water here. So currently we are at the Hirosaki Cherry Blossom Festival. And oh my goodness, guys, just look how beautiful this is, and we're not even inside yet. First stop, English guided tours. I'm like, am I trying to eat that up right now? That is in fact a monkey. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way. That was so damn cute. Wow. My first sighting of cherry blossoms here. Not actually, but basically. Oh my goodness. You know what I was expecting in Japan? Was it to be a lot more touristy. I feel like when I'm like on the trains and stuff, it's like 99% of the time that I've been here so far, I'm the only non-Japanese person on the train. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgina. And look at them having a picnic. Girl, me and who? laying on the grass right now, y'all. Oh, the tree smells so good. Wow. These roses are so beautiful. Oh, bro got me out here tearing up. Like, I'm literally just walking in the nature right now and I'm like about to cry. I don't know, guys. I'm like, is my period coming soon? And I'm like, I can't believe that I'm here in Japan alone and I'm only 21. And I'm like, girl, you're doing everything that you said that you would when you were 15 and depressed as f, and you told yourself that if you made it and that like if you fucking stayed alive that you would travel the world. And that's like what I was like hoping for, you know? I was like, girl, stay alive, because there's so much of the world to see. And so much of my house is inspired by Japan. So this has just been so beautiful, hearing the birds and not to get all sappy, but to get all sappy. Like, this is actually one of the most beautiful, serene experiences that I've ever experienced in my entire life. It just smells so good, guys. It smells so good. I'm so happy that I get to vlog this and experience it with you guys, because, you know, if you ever want to go to Japan one day, maybe you could use this as a little guide, or who knows if you'll ever make it to Japan, but I hope you feel like you're traveling here with me right now. Wow. How freaking cute is this, guys? They have a free resting place of tea. I'm very much enjoying this right now. It's just so peaceful and relaxing, and the trees are so cool. Like, look, first of all, this bridge, I'm gagged. Second of all, are y'all seeing that thing right there? I like want to ask if it's real, but it's most definitely real. It's just perched up right there on the corner. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. So I just picked up a ticket. It cost me 500 yen, but it takes me to the castle and all the different gardens. Coming in here was free, but there's more places to explore that you have to pay for. Yeah. All right, first place we're going is the castle. I love vlogging because it feels like I'm traveling with somebody, even though I'm traveling with nobody. You know, it's like I get to tell you guys what I think is cool. It's such a bright day as well. I don't know what I was expecting, but I literally checked Japan's weather like the day before I left, and I was like, oh shoot, she's kind of hot. Damn, with the mountain in the background, this is a crazy view right now, I'm not gonna lie. This is so beautiful. Wow. Look at all these stalls. So cute. What? Bro, this doesn't even look real right now. Wow. All these vending machines. Everyone's out here trying to shoot them. What? All these food stalls. Oh my gosh. These donuts look amazing. Look at all this food. Wow. Got some apple pie. Banana on a stick. Yo, this looks crazy in the best way possible. That looks so good. Look at this octopus, guys. Oh my god. All right, guys, I'm getting me an ice cream right now. Wow. Beautiful, just this shot right here with the river in the background. Like, ugh. Got ice cream in hand. This beautiful view in the background. Like, what? Such a good day. Kind of tastes like it's like a sorbet. I don't know what this flavor is, y'all. Everyone that I've ever talked to that has gone to Japan says Japan is their favorite place in the world. Kind of scared me about going to Japan, because it's like, fuck, guys. Like, what if it never gets topped? Because Bali has been my favorite for the past 5 years, 6 years. I've gone back there like 8 times now, but I feel like Japan's the new spot. All right, let's keep on walking. Look at all these bracelets. Oh my god. I need a crystal bracelet from here. I wear bracelets like this all the time. I like this one. I'm gonna get this one. I think it's like rose quartz. I love this one too, y'all. I'm gonna get this. Oh my god, but there's this smaller one. Can I see these in here? Oh, cool. Can I do this one? Look how beautiful this ring is, guys. Oh my god, look at this. This is a neat 33. Okay, yeah, could I get that, please? This is gonna be the purchase of the day. We have 4 bracelets, 2 earrings, 1 ring, and this beautiful necklace. I'm so excited. Thank you. This is gonna be my first time trying soba noodles. I'm so excited. Doesn't this look gorgeous, guys? It's pretty beautiful in my opinion. I thought it was gonna be cold for some reason. Oh my god, that's good. The noodles are really soft with the shrimp tempura. All right, let's try the green tea. This is like weirdly green, but it's probably because it's like real green tea. So refreshing. Oh my god. I literally had no expectation coming here to Japan. I know I always say that, but like all I knew was that I wanted to be in nature. When I was looking at the cherry blossom seasons, it's more up north. So that's why we started our trip up here. I thought it was gonna be way more touristy, and I already said this, but like this is very enjoyable. And I'm somebody that gets really anxious around crowds. I don't get anxious very often, but around crowds I get really anxious. And this has been an amazing experience. The first 24 hours has been great. We gotta go get a car to go back to the train station because guys, my train is about to leave and I have a shuttle coming to pick me up to go to the next location. But look how freaking cute all these cherry blossoms are. Gosh guys, okay, so I just walked out the entrance. There are no taxis. I guess the taxis don't come to this entrance. The thing is, my train leaves in 26 minutes. I still have to grab my luggage and I still need to find a taxi. So hopefully I make it. Yikes. Is that a taxi? I think that's a taxi, but he does not want to stop. Okay, is that it? He's stopping for me. He's stopping for me. Hirosaki station. Train leaves 2:46. Still gotta grab my luggage. I'm sweating. Oh, today has been such a fun day. I didn't even get to see all the gardens, guys. Maybe I'll come back another time. Hiroshi was beautiful. I don't even know what the rest look like, so it's not even like I'm missing out. I don't even know what I missed out on. I'm excited though. We're gonna go to another freaking city. I'm gonna go check into our new hotel. We made it. Not gonna lie, I've been procrastinating work all day. Now it is time. We have now made it to the Aomiri station. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what's going on because I don't understand. The bus is leaving in 10 minutes and this is a bathroom. Got it. Is the toilet playing nature sounds right now? I literally had to like take off my headphones because I was like, what the toilet was playing nature sounds. Okay. Oh my gosh. The sounds of the birds is so beautiful. I swear everywhere you go here in Japan, it's just like, boom. Sounds of the birds. What is this, guys? It says I am here. Now what is in here? Oh, cute. I'm exploring right now. Oh, coffee and tea. Fire. Should I go in? Let's go. Is this a freaking supermarket? We have 7 minutes. We're gonna try one of these fruit sandwiches. Let's grab an apple, y'all. Those massive apples. Okay, ordering coffee. Bus leaves in 1 minute. Let's do it. We're gonna make it just in the nick of time, y'all. And just like that, we got a cafe. Back to the bus we go.
走りますのでよろしくお願いいたします。到着されましてもすぐです。